Back. First of all, y'all hit that like button, y'all, that share button, y'all comment, y'all subscribe, and also too, man, donate. Don't hate, guys. And yeah, that's me on the stream. But anyway, y'all, we got Olive Garden, y'all. I'm back with another, you know, lettuce, carrots. My bad, y'all. I'm gonna move this out of the way. We back at it, y'all. I appreciate y'all for y'all being patient, man. About to tear this up. Pull it down just a little bit. There we go. Hope y'all having a good day. It's been raining in Florida. Also, school from the start back. So got the Italian dressing. Trying to mix it up a little bit. I like to mash up my croutons, as y'all can see, and then spread it in my my salad to give it flavor. I ain't gonna use the whole thing of this. I gotta see how it tastes first. I might use the whole thing. You know, I'm just talking right now. The croutons give it flavor, man. I wish they had a bigger Tupperware thing, right? To put the salad in. So I can shake it up. See this right here? When I put this top on here, it don't give me no room to like shake it up for real. Let me see. Let me see if it do. I ain't never let's see what's up. Nah, it's see y'all. Hold on, y'all. Got lettuce flying everywhere. Hold on, y'all. Like at McDonald's. Yeah, you can shake it up. But it's just like the lettuce kind of coming out. Yeah, you can shake it up. My bad. I'm tripping. There you go. See, I ain't never tried that. But it shook up a little bit, man. Now I'm surprised. Cause like at McDonald's, like when I used to get they lettuce and stuff like that. Like they give you room where you can shake it up. Shake the lettuce up. Anyway, guys, let me sip some of this water. But yeah, guys, it shook up a little bit, but it shook it up. Yeah, it shook it up. Mm. Exactly. The Caesar salad looks good. I think so. Like when I order, I just tell them to give me some lettuce and croutons. They just add the carrots, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. But I think it is. Get my other phone. Well, what's up, bro? Glad you tapped in, man. How your day been going? OG. Yeah, but this channel, definitely coming up. More videos coming to this channel, guys. Only playing no games. It's been alright so far. And yours? Mine's been pretty good, man. You know? Trying to get more content on this channel. You know, I got a lot of content on my first channel. So that's all. Everything it's coming together slowly but surely. You know? I'm almost at 8,000 subscribers on my main channel, man. We almost there, y'all. Man, I appreciate y'all's support. Man, it's been a long time coming, man. Us putting in the work. You know? We gonna get there, guys. Trust me, we gonna get there. God knows exactly what He's doing. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me, the Spirit of God knows exactly what God doing, man. Props to you, man. You are very consistent and disciplined with your videos. Yeah, man, I try to be. No, I try to be. And it's props to you too, bro. Like I said, you supporting the channel. So it's really y'all supporters. You know, we doing it together. It's like 50-50. I do the teaching. Y'all learn from it. And we grow together, man. You know what I'm saying? It ain't all about me. We doing it all together, man. Like I said, bro, I just have a strong feeling, man. The main channel, our main channel is gonna take off. It's gonna take off, man. Or I'm gonna be going crazy, I'm gonna try. You know what I'm saying? To go crazy in December. I'm going crazy in December with content. That's when everybody on social media. In December. So I'm gonna try to go crazy, man. Yeah, guys, we're moving up. Like, consistency is key, y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna get another. Oh, let me see if I got one in here. I'm gonna get another napkin. I'll be back. Hold on. Yeah, but that's all I gotta do is just stay consistent, man. That's what it's about. You know, God got a door. He got a door that's He gonna open for me eventually. For us, God gonna open the door for us, man. You know, it's just all take time. No, God's timing is not my timing. No, hard work can eventually pay off. You know, if you do it the proper way. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people got businesses and stuff like that. You gotta get on the internet and do it if you want to see yourself be successful. If you want to see it prosper. I try to tell people this constantly, man. The internet is gonna help you with your business. The old school way, man. You gotta do it the digital way. You know, the old school way, it ain't working no more. Like I said, when you posting something, it's free exposure. So, excuse me, guys. Discipline and consistency in God is key. I'm telling you. And semen retention. Y'all gotta know that, man. Discipline God is key in semen retention. I hope y'all guys, some of my fathers, hope it, you know, help you out and encourage you in some sort of way. We fun to keep going, guys. Alright. You know, we ain't stopping now. And even when we do take off, we still not gonna stop. We're gonna keep moving forward and keep pushing. Like I said, guys, be aware, man. More content coming to this channel, man. I said I ain't playing no games. Bring more content to this channel. Like I said, I'm trying to build this channel up like I got the first one. You know, I'm already claiming the first one. It's gonna take off. It's gone. The first one gone. You know, that first channel I got is gone, man. Now this channel, we gotta get this one to go. So y'all subscribe, man. Like I said, God, discipline, semen retention, focus, and doing things the right way is key, guys. It's cool.